going to meet my boyfriend and mama today. Like, and I feel so special because I ain't never met nobody mama.
Mama! Hey! Where you working with the wet there? The bread there? Run up in this cash there? The lat there? I'm the dog there? I'm on the hunt there?
I ain't so stupid.
Mama! I'm out here.
What's
up, Mama? How you doing? All right, this is my lady Shakila. Mom, hold on, Mama. Shakila, Mama, dude, all right?
Hi, Miss Lady Ho. Miss Lady Rose. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I said Miss Lady.
No, yeah. You go and make yourself. Go ahead.
That's my king, and he be saying I'm his queen. Like, ain't no man ever told me that.
Sharif, where you say you had met Shakila at Baby?
When did we meet?
Like
we met about two weeks
ago.
2 weeks.
You remember?
She came out there, man, looking, godly, right? She brought us our drinks. Next thing you know, they called her to the stage and she started stripping. I said, oh!
That's what you was doing down there at the club, Sharif.
Hey, all 10 of them. From there, it just grew.
They're my king for real. Big King, B.lynn.
Shakila.
Shakila, like tequila.
Right.
Well, how you get that name, baby? Who named you that?
Tell her the origin about it, though.
So, wait. The tequila on my name.
How did the sha get in front of the tuh?
Well, my mama named Erica. So, my mama just put the sha in front of the tequila because her and my daddy was doing it, and then I got pregnant off tequila. My mama usually like to drink Hennessy, but my daddy drank tequila, and so he bought that over there, and then that's how it happened.
She got history about her.
I do.
She got a lot of history about herself.
You like that stuff?
Oh, I see you got some roses, and that's another reason why I wore red. I was gonna wear yellow because they got yellow roses too, but the yellow wasn't gonna go with the green, so I just did red.
Wait,
I was gonna tell her about the flowers.
Remember what we talked about? Breathe.
Sharif.
Tell her who got your outfit. I had got this outfit because my homegirl be stealing clothes.
Right.
And I said, get my man it. Tell her what it is.
She wanted that man looking good. These the real Timbs too.
You're the reals.
These ain't the lugs.
Show her the logo. There you go.
You're just like your damn daddy.
A black king. A black queen.
How is she your queen up there shaking her bosoms and all of that, Sharif?
Look at an honest working girl. Just trying to come up in this world.
That's not.
I'm her future daughter-in-law, and she gonna be my mama-in-law.
You call all these heifers a damn queen. That is a whore.
We are one.
You just rubbing feet and things now.
I got you. You want some water or something? Let me get some water.
She got something to drink, like some tequila.
Y'all interact. Do y'all thing. Mom, you want something?
I told you I
You want something? Okay, all right.
Well, where you say you from, Shakika?
I'm from South Carolina, but I just be down here in Atlanta stripping because I just moved here. And this where all the money, like, they tilt better here. And I'm the best at my job. That's why Riri wanted me. I'm like, what?
How long you gonna be down there at that whole house down? I mean the club. How long you gonna be down there?
I want to keep stripping until these titties sag and this ass can't shake no more.
Get 2 kids, it's over. You gonna have any kids?
Riri want to have one, then I might have one for him. It just depends. And then I'll be your daughter-in-law.
Sharif.
Riri.
You better have her come on in here and get this hoe for I strangle her.
Riri, come. Buy me, cause y'all mama.
I don't like all that.
Mocha magnesia. Come on, girl. I told you my little hazelnut. Movie star, Ma. Movie star. It's like Marilyn Monroe.
Oh.
Marilyn Monroe.
You know that's why I love you. Sit down. Sit down.
Right now, because I know he had warned you. I be told and I don't give a damn about it.
But then you will get mad if I say Miss Lady Ho.
Hey,
Miss Lady Ho. Miss Lady Ho. Miss Lady
That's
Ho.
mine, though.
You know this is a God-fearing household, Sharif. I don't know why you had about her ass in here.
Mom, her name's Shaquilla. Relax, okay?
Her name is whatever comes out my mouth.
Where you going?
Where we going?
No, we not. No. We ain't right here. You can go if you want to leave.
Well, baby, you can
Then
have.
you leave.
Okay, when you come to the strip club, you tell your mom to give you 12 wings instead of 16. And tell her to clap her ass.
No, you're not going to do that. No, you're not going to do that.
No, I ain't gonna do it.
Mom, you can calm all that down in this house. This ain't that. You told her how I get, don't you?
Mom, stop.
Wait,
Hold on.
help me up.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
All right.
I get some too. You better tell her I get some.
I will not have this in here.
Cause I will beat her ass, and you know that. Let's go.
No. I'll be out there. You wait for me, okay? You wait for me, okay?
Ooh.
I ain't going out there. Hell no.
In and out. That's all you just bring them in and out.
I'm in there trying to show this bitch some respect, calling her Miss Lady hoe. Bitch, this I put the Miss Lady on there, and you gonna sit up there to my name Shaniqua and Shafrika and all that. Bitch, I'm a freak, but that ain't my name. It ain't Shafrika. It's Shaquilla.
And I'm going to call it what it is.
I'm with you, Mom. I'm on your team.
I don't even care if he don't come out here. You know what? I'm just finna go. Y'all get my shoes back from him. Get my shoes back!